Hi guys, so today we are doing the setup for the Kali Linux machine. There's different ways to do it, but I'm just going to show you how I did it. First of all, we're going to go on virtualbox.org and you want to navigate where download is. And yeah, so you want to click download VirtualBox 7.0. You'll have a choice of supported platform packages. I am on Windows, so I'll be clicking on Windows and I will let this download. Once it's downloaded, you just go through the steps. It's quite self-explanatory, and you will end up with this machine, the VirtualBox Manager. After this, we're going to go and download the virtual machine, the pre-built virtual machine from kali.org. Links are included below, so do watch out for them. You will then look for VirtualBox 64 torrent. If you are on 64-bit, which I imagine most of you will be, you click on 64-bit torrent and you just click that. Once it's downloaded, it should be in your download file. You should extract it, and just to look into it, you'll have these two files here. Just head back to the VirtualBox Manager and you're going to navigate to add. Go to your folder. For myself, it's the download folder, and there you will find the Kali Linux 2024. You just click on that and it should add it, and then you're going to power it up. Just click on start. Just waiting for it. Here's our Linux powered up. When you download it for the first time, the username and password will be Kali, K-A-L-I, K-A-L-I, K-A-L-I. Press enter to log in, and you are into Kali Linux. Those are the terminals where you will be conducting a lot of commands to the operating system. For example, by the way, if you want to zoom in, it's Control plus plus plus, and zoom out, Control minus minus. Simple commands that you're going to be using: pwd, aux, ps, aux, sorry. For processors, pwd. These are the kind of commands you're going to be using later on. Thank you very much for tuning in.